there is no upfront cost, the fact that you are saving money right from the word go, the fact that they'll replace the battery or maintain the battery during the 20 years that you're contracted to stay with solarZero, they really make it easy.
I believe that you've got to grasp the technology and you have to use it so that more and more people will take up and hopefully see that I've got it on my roof, somebody else might consider it, and then more and more people take hold of it, then the technology advances, it becomes better, it becomes cheaper.
The smart battery system, where we're creating a mini grid from solar systems, that the system is always getting smarter and smarter, understands the times that you need power and makes sure that the power is available for you when you need it, and the other power that's being generated was going to other people and relieving the pressure on the whole town's usage. So by people installing solar panels on their roof, taking the free power from the sun, we can share that energy with other people in the community, still have enough energy for our own needs. It's a win-win as far as I can see.